Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the app and signing in. Make sure you use the account tied to your work. Once signed in, grant camera and microphone permissions so features run smoothly. Select a template if you want faster results, or pick blank to customize everything. You're starting the process now, don't stall on preferences. This initial setup matters because it determines presets and saves time later, so complete these first steps before moving on. Once done with sign-in, add your content, upload files or record directly in the app, importing from cloud saves time. Then arrange clips on the timeline, trim edges, and use layers to combine audio and visuals for clarity. Make targeted edits. Use the snap tool for precise timing and apply transitions sparingly to keep pacing natural. Also change resolution and bitrate now, because these settings affect final to finish. Preview your project from start to end and listen closely for sync or audio peaks. Fix them now so the final file is clean. Then export using the format and settings you selected and confirm export size and compatibility with the destination platform. If export fails or playback stutters, first clear the app cache and restart. If that doesn't work, re-grant permissions or reduce bitrate. These quick fixes resolve most problems without losing your progress.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.